this video, I will teach you how to apply pattern in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Select this layer. Go to Rectangular tool and draw the shape. Now we will select the rectangular layer, right click and convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose Distort. Double click on this layer. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Press Ctrl S, save. Select this layer, right click and choose Blending option. Alt press Move. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.